And a view of the cosmonauts working to remove the seismoprognos experiment from just behind the solar array, or one of the solar arrays on the Zvezda service module. Again, once detached, this experiment no longer providing data after almost 10 years of scientific investigations of seismic activity back on Earth. It will be jettisoned retrograde from the space station toward the aft end of the Zvezda service module on a trajectory that will ensure no potential for recontact with the orbital outpost.
You may stop here.
So, for the jettisoning, Sergey, all right, you position yourself against the velocity vector, and so you should be aiming 45 degrees away from SM module. All right, hold on. Let me secure myself here first.
As the two cosmonauts position themselves in the right orientation for the jettisoning of the seismoprognos experiment, this is the view from Dmitry Petelin's helmet camera.
If need be, Dima can actually hold on to your back to make sure you're secure, just in case this is necessary. All right, I found a place to secure myself to and brace against. Okay, and I'm removing it, and I'm removing mine as well. Freeing it up. Copy. All right, it's free. Copy. And jettisoning.
And there it goes.
It was a good, trusty.
Our ballistics officer here in Mission Control reports it was jettisoned in a good trajectory, well away from the station. No chance for recontact with the complex. So the seismic experiment that has spent almost a decade on the International Space Station is now on its own to burn up in the Earth's atmosphere.
Wave goodbye to it. Rest in peace. And we can, Sergey, you can wrap up photography, but please help as well with SVPI monoblock as well. Will do.
Sure.
That jettison occurred at about the 2-hour 9-minute mark into the spacewalk. The two cosmonauts running about an hour and 20 minutes ahead of the timeline.
Expanded. All right, so when we are done with the scheduled imagery, we would not need to conserve the battery charge at all, and you will have a go to keep the cameras rolling as long as you need to or want to. Okay, and now we have a SVPI with the cables, everything secured. The second latch is left.
Next up for the cosmonauts will be the disconnecting of a number of connectors and the removal of a telemetry system monoblock that older telemetry equipment has been mounted on. That will be the second in the series of jettisons that is expected to occur sometime within the next 30 minutes or so.
So, for the window, you need to stick to the handrail that we recommend. Okay, definitely. All right, SVP is secured to me. Okay, position yourself then. Get ready. And the jettisoning vector is going to be the same in the direction of the Earth's horizon.
The jettisoned item or items that just took place about 2.5 minutes ago were both the seismic detection experiment and a monoblock or stanchion upon which older data transmission system equipment was mounted on.
All right, I am ready. Okay. It's kind of heavy. And you can really feel the inertia. Over right there, right? Is that looking good? Yeah, well, check it. It should be 45 degrees. Okay. So I removed the safety tether. Okay. Sergey, are you recording the video? I am. And jettisoning.
Following the jettisoning of the seismic experiment, Prokopiev now has jettisoned the monoblock or stanchion upon which it and telemetry equipment were mounted on.
It's kind of slower than the one before.
So this is the second of 3 planned jettisons.
It's like feeling the importance of its tasks and goals.